चड बरा
ओय तुका धाडोवपा राय न्हू आं मांस हाडपाक तूं हिंग कित कोता
बेब जिमा गेल्या म्हाका पडा भूक लागना कितें खावपा नाका
एल्डन तुगे खोबरा रावल्या मरे मागीर कांय काम जावपा ना इस्टरा म्हाका मांस घेवपा जाय हांव वयतां
आगो
Oh, hi, Bushu.
Hi Sunny, I was just going to Apnadesh to buy beef and pork for Easter.
Okay, you don't have to go there. Come, what you need, I will give you.
This is also your shop?
This is also my shop, yes.
Oh wow.
Yeah, you can get everything over here only.
बेब थिंग कित्याक वयता मांस घेवपाक हांव तुका बरें जाग्यार वता
छे अगर हांव थिंगा तूं खबर आहा तेगे हांव ओल्ड कस्टमर तेगे प्रायस अफोर्डेबल आहा आनी तेगे भरपूर हायजीन मेंटेन कोत्ता हिंगा तूं सदां मुठाचो मुगे रांदप एकदम बरें जाता मांस हुंगासून घेतालें अपना देश तेगे शॉप आनी हे तेगे शॉप
We have baby lamb, got beef mince, boneless beef, mutton admas, the mutton chops, mutton legs, wild boar with bone, pork admas, mixed pork. You get beef slices, beef steaks, beef admas, bellies is there, pork ribs, baby chicken, whole chicken, chicken liver, masala fish. Bushu used to go to in the best foods Apnadesh.
Apnadesh.
After Easter, we're going to close that site, but you will get everything in one place now. Soon we're going to start frozen fish as well. So you don't need to go anywhere, then you'll get everything in one place.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Sunny. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.